everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a miniature small shield potion from the game Fortnite. This video is dedicated to the boys in my class who support my YouTube channel and also got me into playing Fortnite in the first place, so shout out to them. So for this tutorial you'll be needing a small glass bottle, and you can purchase these online in dollar stores or in craft stores. They come in a range of shapes and sizes, so choose the one that you like the best. For the potion liquid, I'm going to be using UV resin from Sophie and Toffee, which I've linked down below in the description box. You can also use regular resin or even an oil like baby oil if you want the potion to move around. I poured some of my resin onto a piece of baking paper, and then to colour I took my packet of chalk pastels and scraped in some of the light blue pigment. I then used a toothpick to mix everything together. Next, I decided to also add in some translucent blue micro marbles to look like the little bubbles in the potion, and again these can be purchased online or in craft stores. To pour my potion mixture into my glass bottle, I created a little funnel using some baking paper, and this helped me to guide the resin down neatly into the bottom. I used my toothpick to stir it and help push it all through. If you're using UV resin like me, you'll need some type of UV torch or light like the one I have here, or easily enough you can just use the sun to harden it. If you've used regular resin, you'll want to leave it sit overnight to fully cure. So to turn it into a charm, I took an eye screw and I screwed this into the top of the cork before securing this into the top of my glass bottle using the UV resin as a glue. If you ended up using an oil for your liquid, you'll want to cover the cork with a waterproof sealant first so that it doesn't soak up the liquid and start to break down. And there you have it, this is the finished small shield potion inspired by Fortnite Battle Royale. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!